Please, salam mo kayo window. Salam mo. Let's get close mo. Down. Yan. Okay, 1. Na-start na ba? Na-start na. 1, 2. Isa pa, picture naman. Video ito eh. Video tayo eh. Video si Marty ka. Going to New York si Marty.
No.
Ito naman, kabila. Yan. Ano yan? Inyo ba yan? Inyo? Cebu Pacific?
No, all the information.
This one is all the information. Open mo na. Ito mo na basahin. Sa passenger. Saan? Airbag yan eh. Balik mo muna ito. Basa mo yan. Yan, basa mo. This. Basa mo lang. Ito flat yung naman.
Forward and rear door exit. I have two. Full red inflation handle to inflate slide.
Basa mo lang.
Then the window exit. Why would you do that?
Marty, saan papunta si Marty? Going to? Ha? Oh, hey. One, two. Picture naman. Tingin dito. Okay. O dyan, ganyan. Ganyan lang, ganyan. Yan. One. Tingin dito. It's flying now. Flying in the air. Cannot see outside. Oh, can see outside now. Oh, okay, can see the engine. I believe I can fly. Oh. See? What's
I know we're flying. We can literally see the view where we actually go.
See the view.
Whoa, that is just a zigzag.
Thousand feet? How many thousand feet?
I just feel like I'm being scared, but I'm not. Oh my god, we can just see the clouds moving.
Sa clouds na ba? Sa body?
I know.
Sa clouds na?
Oh man! To learn from Manila.
Manila Bay. Manila Bay, body. How many feet back? How many thousand feet?
I think you're just near this.
Air. Changi Airport.
Singapore, Singapore,
Oh, Singapore. Singapore.
Singapore. There are 3 words in Singapore. Singapore. Corn. I mean corn. Singapore. Singapore.
There's the airport checks.
Singapore.
Quiet na. Kaya mga na tayo maglanding na.
SG.
Insert phone ba yan? Saka yung face ni Mordy kung escape. Si Mordy maglanding. Landing na si Mordy. Landing na si Singapore. Si Mordy.
Changi.
Naglanding na si Singapore.